guys. Today is another day here in Madrid. It's our second official day here in Madrid. And for the day we're gonna take the free walking tour from Sandeman's. It's a change of plan, but I think it's a good change since usually when you're in a or I'm in a new place, I take this Sandeman walking tour, free walking tour, to have a quick view of the city and to know which spots to go to afterwards. I hope you'll enjoy, Maris.
I hope so.
Yeah, I think she did enjoy the previous walking tour we had in Barcelona. Was very enthusiastic. English man, funny guy. So we're just here waiting for the bus. Not sure if we're gonna make it on time. I think the bus should arrive in 2 minutes. Here in Madrid, everything is laid back, except in the metro. As you can see, this is our neighborhood. Very calming, even if it's already 10 a.m. But when it reaches around 8 p.m. or 9 p.m., it's gonna be very noisy until around 10 p.m. The bus is here. We just arrived here at the Seoul station, and it's currently 11:03 a.m. Our tour starts at 11 a.m. So we hope we're gonna still be able to catch a tour. There's also a ongoing rally or protest which we just passed by. Hopefully we're safe from any harm.
The rest will stay with me, okay? So first one we have is Sally. Sally? Alright, there we go. Alright.
No, the end lang. We're approaching the end. It's already around 1:30, so I think the tour is gonna end around 2 p.m. And we just took some nice photos here on top of the palace. And we're now catching up since we're at the last part of the queue. We just finished our free walking tour. It's a great tour by Sandeman as usual. Never fails. So we just came back here at a very picture-friendly spot or video-friendly spot. We're gonna go down there in a while and then maybe have some lunch and dinner combined in a few moments. So we're now here at the Palacio de Madrid. Unfortunately, it's closed for the week and I think next week as well due to the NATO summit. So we're just here to take some photos and videos, of course. What?
Park Sojun?
Sabihin ko Korean word. Samgyeopsal?
What's that?
Samgyeopsal?
Samgyeopsal.
Samgyeopsal? Sa? Samgyeopsal? We are now retracing back our steps to the place to buy the cookies from the nuns because we're not able to find it in Google Maps. It's the carbonaras cookies. So we hope we find our way. So we're just here at the Chinese restaurant, Tapas Chinese bar near the Mercado de San Miguel. Because the cookie store is still closed, it'll open around 4:30 p.m. But we're still thinking if we would go there because the ratings of the cookies are mixed. It's mixed reviews. Maybe after we eat this very good meal, we would be able to decide clearly and rightfully. So this is hot and sour soup. We have Shanghai xiaolongbao. We have some stir fries, string beans. Then we have this beef with green onions. And the servings are big. I think all in all this would be around 30 euros. And this could actually feed around 3 to 4 persons.
Oh, I know.
3 to 4 Luigi's.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Happy
Anniversary. Every day it's a celebration here in Spain. We have just left the Chinese restaurant and we would no longer go to the cookie store shop because I think it does not have it has mixed reviews and the cookies are not that cheap. How much is it?
20 euros for 1 kilo.
20 euros for 1 kilo. And if it's not that good, we don't think it's worth the price, so we're not going there anymore. But if the viewers want to go there, I think it's okay. You might want to try it. But for us, we chose not to try it anymore. So we're now on our way to, where are we going?
To Mercado.
To Precadios, Calle Precadios, to look for some shopping stuff and maybe also to look again for the Swatch watch. But most likely there would be no stock. Anyway, we just want to walk to digest the food that we ate. Most likely no stock because there's no lines. As expected, no stock. But according to the person, the cashier, there was stock this morning. So I'm not sure if we're gonna go back tomorrow morning. Maybe not. But let's see. We're now here in La Casa de las Carcasas to look for a housing for Marissa's phone. And this place is actually doing customized ones. If you want to have a specific handle for a specific case, they would be able to do it on the fly just for around 5 minutes. Right? Am I right, Marissa? Am I right? Marissa, am I right? Nothing.
I wasn't able to hear what you said because I was
Looking.
at it.
That's okay, it's okay. So all in all, I think this would cost around 22 euros, but it's expensive, but not bad because it looks very durable. Only time will tell if I'm telling the truth or if I'm right. So we just bought the customized case from La Casa de Carcasa, I think. Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy. I didn't know that it was possible.
Me too. At least in our country, we don't have that. We only have China-made stuff. Which some are good quality, some are not. Depends on the price. we're now heading to Hotel Rio. Take a look if we're able to go up and have some drinks. But before that, we're gonna go to a supermarket first.
And buy some drinks.
Buy some water. This street feels like New York. Or this avenue, or this road. Right?
There's a NY feel.
My
I
feels.
don't know how to explain. Maybe because of the modern building.
It's very fresh in Marissa's memory since she just went to New York 2 years ago.
Pre-pandemic.
Pre-pandemic New York. So we're now gonna go back to our house. We'll no longer go to Hotel Rio. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow is a new day. It's our last day. It's our last day. Okay. Alright, our bus is here. Bye.